It's hot. Ready. Ready. Everybody, it's Taisha, aka Mrs. Harris. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. If you guys are loyal subscribers, you know that I've been missing for a little bit. I got sick, the holidays came, my birthday came. I am now 30 years old. How exciting. So anyway, I'm back. I have a new bright fun look for you guys. If you're interested in finding out how I achieved this look or what products that I use, all that will be down in the description box. And yeah, just stay tuned. Just stay tuned. I miss you guys. I'm back. Let's just jump right into this video and I will see you guys later.
Alright guys, so I have one eye done already, other eye not done, eyebrows done, and I also have concealer on. So we're going to start our first eye off using NYX Milk Jumbo Pencil. And I'm just going to use this as a base because I really want my colors to pop today. As you can see, we got bright colors going on here. Now I'm going to use a brush and just spread that product out. First thing I'm going to do is use Culture from my Shayla ColourPop palette. And I want to put this color down as a transition color. Next, I'm going into my BH Cosmetic Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I love this palette so much. First color that I'm going to be putting down is this green color here. And I'm going to put that right on top of where I put Culture. So now that that color is laid, I'm going to go in with this yellow color here, and I'm going to place that on top of where I put the green. And I just want it to be a nice gradient effect. So it's going to be green with a little bit of that yellow peeking out of the top. So I'm only putting the yellow here on top of where I place that green. I'm going to go back into the green color that we used first just to blend those two colors together properly. And get it to where I would like it to be. If you guys were curious, I did go ahead and drag that milk pencil down below my waterline because I'm going to be adding color down there too. So now I'm going into the BH Cosmetics palette, taking that black, and I'm just going to literally add that to my outer corner. I'm going to sort of kind of make a V because I want the black to just stay right there where I'm placing it, and then I'm going to blend it out. So I'm just using this brush to blend out the color. Adding a little bit more black. You don't want to go too dark first. You want to start a little bit dark. If you need more, add more. You don't want to put too much at first because it's easier to add than it is to take away. So now I'm going in with that green color and just blending things together. It's going to be a lot of back and forth and blending, as per usual. Now I'm going in with this teal bluish color here, and I'm going to place that right next to where I put the black color. So as you guys can tell, I'm going to be going from darkest to lightest. So we put the black down, now we're putting that blue teal color. And I'm just going back in with a little bit more black just to darken it up a bit more. Now I'm taking that Jumbo Milk Pencil and I'm getting some of that product on my brush. And I'm going to use this today to cut my crease opposed to using concealer because, again, we are using really bright colors and I really want these colors to pop out. So I'm going to use the white base opposed to using concealer. So now that I put that white base down, I'm just trying to blend it into that bluish color that we put there. And don't be scared to use your fingers, guys. Now I'm going in with this green color and I'm going to pop that right next to where I put that blue color. Now I'm going into my Morphe 35B palette and I want to take that white shade right here and I'm going to use that to pop into my inner corner because we do want to keep this white. So I'm basically just setting the milk pencil. Now I'm going into this green here and I'm going to place that right after the white. And I'm going to just place this here and blend it into that darker green. And I'm going to go back and forth between this lighter green and then the darker green so I can make sure that they're blended properly. As you guys may or may not know, these like ombre cut crease looks are like my favorite. I feel like they're the most flattering on my eye. So for under eye area, I'm going to do pretty much the same thing that I did on the lid. I'm starting out with that darker green color. I'm going to add a little bit of black to the edge, the outer corner of my under eye. Then I'm going to go into that medium green. And then I'm going to use that lighter green. It's going to be lit. And I'm using that shimmer shade at the bottom to pop in my inner corner. In a second. Now I'm using my Milk Jumbo Pencil to water my, to line my waterline. I'm using this Milk Jumbo Pencil and then I'm going to set it with that white powder from the Morphe 35B palette because if we don't set this, it's going to move and we don't want it to move. I'm just bringing back a little bit of that green color because we kind of lost it a bit. Now we're going on to foundation. You know this is my favorite foundation. I love it. This is the Maybelline Super Stay. And today I'm trying out this Morphe sponge. Here is the size of it when it's not wet. I'm not going to use it to apply my foundation, but I am going to be using it. So as you guys can see, I'm using this duo fiber brush to apply my foundation today. You can use whatever you want. This foundation, I really like to use it with a sponge, a brush, it doesn't matter. You can use it with anything and it still applies really nicely. So I'm going in with my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in Golden. And I'm just gonna put that on every part of my face that I want to be highlighted because I'm sure you guys can see that the foundation is a little bit darker. But with this really light foundation, it just brings everything together and it's the perfect color for me. I really like the way this sponge works. I don't have a problem with it at all. I like the shape of it. As you can see right now, I'm using like the pointed teardrop in for my concealer, but I do flip it around and use this kind of angled part. I do like it because I feel like you can get really, really close to your under eye area. So thumbs up for this sponge. I don't have a problem with it at all. It's really cool. And I think it's only like $5 to $7, so very inexpensive. And the shape is really cool. I like it. You can get into some crevices of your face. As you can see, I'm going to be using it all different ways here. Now I'm just taking that foundation brush and going over the edges of where the concealer ends and my foundation is. I'm going to set everywhere that I put the concealer with this Sacha Buttercup. I absolutely love this powder. The yellowness in it is perfect. The texture of the powder, like it's super finely milled. I just love everything about this powder. Like, I don't know why it took me so long to get this powder, but it is the bee's knees. I love it. Like, I don't want to do my makeup without it. If I use my Laura Mercier powder, I still sprinkle a little bit of this into it just to give it that yellow color. It's just amazing. I love it. If you don't have it, you definitely should get it. I got it from Amazon. And I'm just going to let this powder sit here for a bit. And I'm taking a clean brush and just going to sweep this away. There's nothing on this brush. Now that this is dusted away, I'm going to, of course, go in with my Black Radiance contour palette. This is a light to medium palette. This is all that I use on my face right now because I just love it. And I kind of lost my other favorite bronzer, but that's another story. This is what I'm using. I love it. I always use it. It's the best. I'm going in right now because I really think this look is doing something. So I need to carve out my cheeks and make them look special. So I just put Sacha Buttercup under where I put the contour so I can just make it look a little sharper. For my nose contour, I'm going in with the same Black Radiance palette and just carving out my nose so I can get it to look a little snatched here. To complete my eyes, I'm going in with my NYC liquid eyeliner. This is the first liquid eyeliner that I ever tried. I feel like it's the easiest eyeliner to apply. It's the blackest. It's matte. It's super amazing. But the only thing is, I think it's discontinued. So it's like wherever you see it, if you're out in a store, just grab it because, I don't know, everywhere doesn't carry this brand.
I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. I was super hype about getting this setting spray because it comes in this bottle and I just feel like it won't be any inconsistency with the sprays, if that makes any sense, opposed to me having a bottle like this where it's like, if I don't spray right, like, I don't know. I'm just really hype about this spray. Ooh, and it smells good too. It does. Yeah, I really like this spray. I probably should have covered my eyes, but I didn't. Let's just stop really quick because I want to point this out because these companies and the packaging is so freaking annoying. As I stated before, a lot of women wear nails. Not everybody, but a lot of us do have nails. And trying to get into these packaging, it's like, come on, like, are you kidding me? I don't want to break my nails. But, this packaging, first let's just say, you know what, okay. Packaging. So this item is inside a box, right? Typically we would go here, I'm digging my nails in here, I'm running a risk of losing a stone, chipping some nail polish, whatever the case may be. Not with this packaging because they have this little split right here where I could just literally take my finger, pop this bad boy out. Hello, we're open. Open. Nails unharmed. That's exciting. I don't know if Amrezy did this, if all Anastasia Beverly Hills packaging is this simple. Maybe I never noticed. Thank you for that. I just want to point that out. Let's continue. Before we do that, I know I'm the last person on the planet Earth that has this highlight, and this is Amrezy's highlight that she has with Anastasia Beverly Hills. And first of all, Anastasia's packaging is just superb. You already, if you don't know, It just makes me feel like luxury. I love the packaging. So already 10 out of 10 for the packaging. Open this bad boy up. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. If you know anything, you know Amrezy is all about her highlight. This is my first time trying this highlight out. I hope it looks good on me. Everybody knows she's the highlight mama. She loves to glow. So hopefully I look just as good. Let's see. And there is a super big mirror here. Very nice. I'm here for the mirror.
This highlight, guys, is A1. Very, very nice. I think it's like up there with my faves. Anyway, moving on to lips. I'm just going to line my lips with a brown pencil. Any dark brown pencil will do. Trust me. I think this one is from like NK or Wet n Wild or something like that. Now I'm going to go ahead and with my Dose of Colors liquid lipstick in Let's Cuddle. And I'm just going to go ahead and put this on and kind of blend it out here. So I'm just going to use a brush to make sure I blended that out the way I wanted it to be. Of course, I'm not going to leave it like that. I need to apply gloss. I'm team gloss over team matte, of course. So I'm using my Fenty Gloss Bomb to just add on top of that. I'm going to blot and we are all done. Shout out to these slow-mos. Check out my highlight though. Oh my God, I love it. Do you guys see that I added bottom lashes? I'm really hype about that. It was a total movement. I loved it. I'm definitely going to be doing this more. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.